Hi, I'm Angel, an explorer from the Environmental Learning Center, and today I'm inviting you to take a closer look. Beaks generally have the same structure, an upper palate and a lower palate. Beaks can be long and narrow, like on a bird called an ibis, who searches for its preferred meal of worms in the muddy ground by sticking its beak deep down under. Beaks can also be wide and chunky, like on a pelican. Did you know that a pelican can hold in its beak more water than it can hold in its stomach and enough food to last an entire week? Beaks have a few purposes. Take a look at this goose using its beak to squirt water onto itself to clean off. I adore this goose, and her name is Ginger. One more fact about pelicans, they will fight with their beaks. They'll use these beaks in their brawls just like swords and make these clank clank noises with them. These birds are the inspiration for your Nature Near You kit. This activity is supposed to help you understand what it's like to gather food as different birds. You have your string, which acts as a tasty worm. You have your round lentils, which will be our small bugs. You have your chopsticks, which are your bird's beak, similar to an ibis. And your bird seed, an actual meal that's fit for many kinds of birds. And best of all, you have your imagination and fellow nature explorers here to listen to your favorite parts of this activity and walk you through any questions. Now, my friends, do you want to test your skills at finding food with beaks? Try to get the most food as you can, as fast as you can. I hope you have a lot of fun and you continue to learn about your favorite birds, whether that's a bird around here, like those giant cranes, or a bird that lives very far away, like a penguin. Surprise your friends with the facts that you learn, and I bet they'll appreciate nature more too. Goodbye!